Welcome to Thinkers Hub School, the intellectual hub where curiosity meets knowledge. Join us on a journey of discovery as we delve into the vast realms of education, unlocking the doors to endless possibilities. Here, we believe in empowering young minds and fostering a love for learning. Get ready to expand your horizons and embark on an exciting educational adventure with us. In this video, we'll discuss recent development regarding aspartame. We'll cover scientific discoveries reported by World Health Organization. Aspartame is an artificial sweetener that is used as a sugar substitute in many food and beverage products. It is a low-calorie sweetener and is commonly found in diet sodas, sugar-free candies, chewing gum, and various other low-calorie or sugar-free products. Aspartame is made up of two amino acids, aspartic acid and phenylalanine. It is much sweeter than sugar but contains fewer calories. One of the world's most common artificial sweeteners is set to be declared a possible carcinogen next month by a leading global health body, according to two sources with knowledge of the process, pitting it against the food industry and regulators. Aspartame, used in products from Coca-Cola diet sodas to Mars Extra chewing gum and some Snapple drinks, will be listed in July as possibly carcinogenic to humans, for the first time by the International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC, the World Health Organization's WHO Cancer Research Arm.